In 14 part A, which one of the two players is more consistent in the competitions? In this case, you look at the standard deviation. The smaller standard deviation, the better the scores, the more consistent the scores. In this case, we can see that Alan has a very small standard deviation. So in this case, we'd have to write Alan because he has a smaller standard deviation. In part B, it says which one of the two players would you say is better at the competitions? In this case, you'd have to argue that Clive is better because he does have a very large mean score, even though his standard deviation is a little higher. So in this case, Clive, because his mean score is significantly higher. In part C, it goes on to say that some of the sports quiz questions refer to the 1980s. Alan is much younger than the other competitors, and it is decided that 3 points should be added to his score in each of the 10 rounds. So that would mean that if you added 3 to every score that he achieved, his mean score would therefore go up by 3. So 55.9 would convert into 58.9. However, if you add 3 to every score, the difference between the scores doesn't actually change, even though the scores have increased. So his standard deviation would in fact be the same.